Such a pleasure to have you. Each year is a separate theme, and we follow it through the 12 months of the year. Periodically, we have an injection of a special guest who will come in and preempt the lectures that I had planned. But I learned a long time ago, God's planning is far better than anything I could envision or prepare for. So if I'm preempted, that's fine. That's God's plan, and I love it. This year, the theme is God created the earth with. And then we finish the sentence. In a few months, we'll talk about God created the earth with the starry heavens. They are a part of the orchestral background. Special lecture on God created the moon for special benefits to planet Earth. Special lecture on God created the earth with micro marvels. Tiny little things that make an astounding difference in biology and in botany, in physics. Micro marvels. And I'll need a lot of help on that from these electrical engineers. So we have a great year in store.